Chromia. So you can get the coin. You can even trade the coin on, like, if you find yourself in a country that you cannot use centralized exchanges like Binance or Coinbase, or yeah, you cannot trade on your favorite. You can trade this using your Trust wallet. Find a way to get cryptos. You just come here, the same rule. Nothing is different. You go to contract address. You make sure you select the contract address on the network you want to trade. In this case, we have BNB, and Ethereum. Usually, if I see BNB and Ethereum, I'm always going to choose BNB. Because of the low gas fee. Then go now on Dex tools or Dex screener. We're gonna paste this coin. Oh, guys, I was just talking about this, and you see, Trump had just come back. I just come to, that's come to this zone where I was talking about. You see, we cannot make this up. Anyways, let's go to and you paste the contract address there. It's gonna give you the coin on. This is the first one. Click on that, you know, and for you to be able to do this, you can do this with on PancakeSwap, and it's gonna be easy. Trade on Keba network, Kyberswap. Kyberswap is gonna, aggregate. It's an aggregator. Aggregate and give you the best price in the market, the best network. You're gonna connect your contract address there. In this case, I'm on the wrong network. But if say you connect your address, make sure you go to BNB chain. You have it there. Then you can now buy. I don't have. Do I have anything on BNB? Let's see. Yeah, I have about one. Let's see if I have something on BNB. Yeah, I have about I have about two BNB. No, not even up to two BNB. Yeah. So this is how you go about buying any coin. You can trade this. You don't need to have, like, you don't need to be able to trade this only on centralized exchanges. This exchange, this deck screener, it has everything you need to trade. You can see the chart, you can do your TA here, and you wait for price to pull back, and when price pull back, you can buy. In this case, you can see you can trade this, looking at this the 4 hours time frame. What happened here? Price was moving downward. What did price do? Price break and make higher highs. Price have come back, and price is holding this area where price break. Price has attempted this zone 3 times now. So the next zone is to take price to the next area. This area here is going to be the next target.